Welcome to TU Dublin Technology Services Student Email Activation Guide. On the Office 365 login screen, input your TU Dublin student email address, followed by the password you received. Your email address will start with either the letter B, C, D, F, or X, followed by 8 digits. Once you've input your password, TU Dublin will ask you to set up multi-factor authentication. You will be asked to set up your password recovery options and to register a secondary authentication factor, such as your mobile phone or the Microsoft Authenticator app. This will help protect your account from being used illegally. To download the app, search Microsoft Authenticator on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Make sure it's published by Microsoft. Once downloaded, open the app on your mobile device and press Next on your PC or laptop. Microsoft will ask to collect basic information and diagnostics. Press the Agree button on your mobile device and allow notifications. Once you've agreed, press the Scan QR code button on your mobile device. Press the Next button on your PC or laptop. With your mobile device, scan the QR code and press Next on your PC or laptop. The Authenticator will pair with your student account. You will be required to add your mobile number or your email address to verify each login session. For this demonstration, I will be using my mobile number, but you can also use your email too. Once you have picked your country, input your mobile number. You will then receive a text message from Microsoft, which you will be asked to input on screen. Your Microsoft Authenticator app is now set up and linked to your TU Dublin student account. You will now be asked to create a new password. Your password must be a minimum of 14 characters and contain the following: uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet, numeric, or special characters. Your password must not contain any words with simple obfuscation, any personal information related to the user, or a series of consecutive numbers or letters. Once you've picked your new password, press Next and you will be taken to your TU Dublin student account. To access your email address, on the Office 365 home screen, click on the Outlook icon on the left-hand side. Once clicked, you will be taken to your TU Dublin student email inbox. You can also log in using Outlook.com with your TU Dublin email address and password. Thank you for watching from TU Dublin Technology Services.